Today we're working on the 240 again. We are going to be trying to put the turbo back on the motor. We're going to try to get the motor kind of, you know, in there. And yeah, we'll connect the drive shaft and things if that goes well. But we got some new parts in. Coose, can you tell the people what we got, man?
This is Coose's corner. We're not doing a whole lot with the headlights, but we got them in. So that's pretty good. We're not doing anything with the headlights, so fuck them, really. We got this here little boosty boy. This is a blow-off valve, and what it does is it basically goes, you know, whenever you step off the accelerator and you got a turbo and you're building boost. So this makes your boost go away. Simple as that. We got this here heat shield boy, and what this does, it goes right there. And that's gonna keep everything around the turbo. This bit right here, because it's like the exhaust side. This is the hot side of it. Super hot. Ah, can't touch that. You know, stuff around it gets hot because heat's hot. This here is probably my favorite little package. Our hot boy heat shield.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that shine.
Nice.
Very excited about this. Can't wait to wrap that around everything. We got some turbo gaskets here. This is gonna go basically right here on the engine. Or, yeah, like right there.
Yeah, show them the old one.
The old one?
Right there.
Oh yeah, dude, it's all fucked up. As Schwab would say, that's pretty wang jangled.
Yep, that one's definitely been a little bit wang jangled. Okay, so we are now test fitting the turbo on, and we have a new oil line hooked up, tightened down. Should work well, should stay cool, and safe from the manifold. I'm okay with this actually.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, we've got some other heat shield to go over the top of the braided line, and then this will just go down here. This is where she connects in the sump.
Cool.
Yeah, happy days. That you were never supposed to double wrap, man.
Pre-insertion.
My man.
My man. Ah!
There
You're doing great. We all love you. It's 2K19. We're loving the boys. We're here if you need to talk. Especially about the Skyline. I really just want to get a picture of you holding it.
Man, I'm real bummed that the Skyline's fucking dead, man.
Oh.
I'm gonna be totally honest with you.
Can you record that yet?
Doofed it.
Okay. So here we go.
Give her the old dick twist.
Grab his dick and twist it.
Oh my god, it's an MMA fight. Gotta push it in.
What's up, guys? So I got a layer of the glazing putty on in the spots that needed it. All of the glazing putty that we put on has been sanded down now. Looks really good. She's ready for primer on the driver's side. So we're gonna take a quick break here, pull the motor out, and I'm going to take care of the fuel lines and everything else in the bay that needs to be wang jangled, moved around, whatever. So yeah, guess let's do it to it. That's good.
I don't know how much it'll move though when you come loose, so be careful.
That much.
That much. Now we know.
Alright guys, so I put the Hot Boy heat shield in the car. Got it down here where the downpipe will come. I'm also going to do a little bit more in there. But I've also got it back here on the back side of the motor, which is where it will collect a lot of the heat. So this will help that escape. Over here is the manifold, and up there is where the wastegate is. So I figured, why not make it really phallic? And yep, that's what I did. So there's one of those in my engine bay. Yeah, downpipe time. We got to connect the wastegate to the downpipe now. Should be good. All right, so now we are putting the hole in there. The whole hole.
The whole hole.
The whole hole.
That was so easy. I didn't break my wrist.
Hell yeah. Good stuff.
There's a hole.
That worked pretty damn well. There's a huge hole in our downpipe, so now we can put this thing in there and just happy days.
Perfect.
There's a downpipe, kids. It's welded. I made a downpipe, and the wastegate dump is now connected to it. So we don't have to run a screamer pipe out the hood anymore, so we're not going to get any water in the motor or turbo area, which is really good. It's like 2 in the morning right now, so I'm going to wait until Schwab comes over tomorrow, and then I'll have him help me put that guy on. Alright, so now that I have extra set of hands here, we can finagle this downpipe and wastegate onto the car. Sooner or later, Coose is going to show up, and then hopefully we'll be able to put the motor in the car. So can you just hold that? Yeah, dude. Up top. Hell yeah!
Chibi.
Woo! That was a pain. Now we get to take this guy.
Hey, oh.
We are all downpiped up now, boys.
Hell yeah.
This is exciting. This was a big chunk of stuff that nobody wanted to do.
Nut machine has arrived. Alright, so let's get a motor in this car.
Yep, so
Why can't I do this for the rest of my life? Why do I have to work at the gas station?
I don't think you want to do this for the rest of your life, Coose.
Dude. Oh, dude, this was like out of the car like a minute ago.
yeah.
Pimp my ride. Alright guys, so we pimped this car out with the 1JZ VVTI, because we want all them VTECs. We got the deep dish wheels, oh nice.
So Coose and Schwab are under the car. They're getting the transmission cross member in right now. You can see it moving, wiggling, wang jangling. How are things looking under the car, Schwab?
Chibi.
Shibby.
Chibi.
Things are looking shibby, everyone. The motor is back in the car, and hopefully it won't have to come out. Cross fingers.
Yeah. Well, Jonas is cutting lines and shoving them in and clamping them down.
Yeah, I'm just trimming up. A lot of these lines were like extra long, so I'm just trimming them up so that they tuck in a little better. Just looks a little cleaner. Getting things settled into the car, I guess. Alright, so I've got the power steering reservoir put in the car. I've got the lines hooked up, and the fuel lines are ran partway, kind of back around the car. And yeah, so pretty much everything on the intake side as far as lines go is connected, tightened, and actually, same thing on the exhaust side. All the coolant lines and oil lines are good to go. So, I guess now we need to test fit the radiator behind Coose's head. we've got a set of Mishimoto fans and a fan shroud.
Hey, that's some shit.
Cooling.
It's important.
So we got the radiator and the fans in the car, and they're really close to fitting, but not quite. So what's the plan, Schwab?
We're gonna shove it back. Pray God we get fitting it.
Yep. So the motor mounts are adjustable. So we're gonna loosen the motor mounts and the transmission mounts, and then we're gonna try to shove the whole motor back. There isn't a whole lot of room to go back left, but I think we'll be able to get like a quarter or half an inch, and honestly that's all we need.
Yeah, something. Alright, so we got the 2JZ pushback. The 1J. Sorry, 1J pushback as far as we can get it.
Working J.
And it wasn't that far. But it's something.
We haven't even talked about doing them on the motor yet.
Yeah, we plugged stuff in.
Yeah. We did the whole wiring harness dealio. Do you want to put in the ECU? So this car has it's got can you show them the ECU? Fucking fun side. It's got a Link Monsoon ECU. Yeah, that's cool. So it'll be really tunable, really easy once we get the rat's nests figured out. There you go.
Done. Ready to start our car up and do some skids in the streets.
We don't do skids in the streets. That's illegal. Alright, so with the whole harness in the car all plugged in, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Got the ECU sitting down in here. So tomorrow I'll probably go ahead and start putting gauges in and trying to take care of the interior, get everything sort of hard mounted in the car, and yeah, should be good. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Physics.
Schwab is drinking water out of a paint mixing cup.